Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and one event that is interesting because we don't hear about PC makers that much. We see the new stuff they bring out. We hear a little bit about what they have to say, but in general, you buy your PC and you'll choose a brand. Some are loyal to their brands. Some just don't really have any loyalty. But HP, which is a well-known name in PCs for such a long time, has actually done its first ever HP Imagine event. And they talked about the future of the PC, which is the vision of HP on the future of the PC. Now, when we look at Microsoft, they talk about a cloud, kind of a cloud thing will be more and more into cloud and will be more and more into connected devices and AI. But it is interesting to see HP is kind of on the other side of things. In today's world, they're actually mentioning that the future of the PC, it will be your companion because of AI. But they do talk about how neural processing units, that will be something coming to HP PCs in the future. So that means probably not that far off, and maybe in time for Windows 12, who knows, will actually shift the use of AI from the cloud to your computer. And that's where they say that HP PCs, for example, and PCs in general, will become your personal assistant everywhere, even in a non-connected world, thanks to these NPUs. So, once again, a lot of people have a hard time understanding why we need this. CPUs, central processing units, control everything about the computer. It's kind of the basic brain of the PC. But, we have other processors that do things better in certain areas. For example, gamers all know we need a graphics processor to play games. The graphics processors specialized in actually calculating and elaborating everything that it will have in code to put on your screen, moving images at a very fast pace. Something it does way better than a CPU could do on its own. And neural processing units will be the same thing. It will leave the CPU alone in all of the algorithms it has to do and will be the sole maker of these algorithms in a much faster and a much more efficient way that will have to do with decisions. Basically, human-like decisions done by a computer. So this is going to be interesting to see in the future. But HP is interested in really having that done locally much more than cloud wise. And that's the reason for an NPU. An NPU will have a lot of things done locally and, of course, will not require that all of the AI be done in the cloud. Kind of an opposite, if you want, of what Microsoft is saying. So we'll see. It's going to be interesting to see the new PCs coming out in the next couple of years, especially as more and more of them come with a neural processing unit. We'll see what type of use that actually adds to and capabilities it adds to the computers. So that's the near future. There's not a lot of that yet, but it's coming. And maybe that could be a game changer. When we say that, people are not moving to a new Windows or to a new system when there's nothing really new. Well, maybe new computers with NPUs in it might actually change that. And PCs, people will go buying PCs because they have these new technologies. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.